is Bríd Boland, and I'm a first-year student in this course. And it's a very enriched program, to say the least. So those two tunes were two barn dances. The first one was called Jim Flynn's Favourite, and that came from a recording by Gerard Donoghue from Kilmactranny. He was born and reared there, and played the mouth organ. And that tune, Jim Flynn's Favourite, was so called because a local man named Jim Flynn used to come in when he'd hear people playing, and he would ask for this particular tune, so it was his favourite tune. And the second tune was called If There Weren't Any Women in the World, and that was taught to us before Christmas by Jenny here on the front row with the fiddle. So two lovely tunes. And now we're going to continue with a song which is called Siúil, and that translates as a command which is to walk quietly. It's a love song that comes from the early 1700s and after that period in history when the Irish army was defeated, and the European armies were recruiting Irish soldiers. So this is a song from the point of view of a woman whose lover was now heading off to France. And she was wishing him well, and she was doing everything she could to support him so that he would be safe on his journey, and hoping that he would come back again. So like the song has 4 verses that we're singing now, but there are many versions of this, and you'll find versions in England depending on the situation. And it's again to do with the historical period and King James and the battles and all the conflict going on between different countries and different armies and different kings. So this is sort of the human story that might go behind all the political events. Apparently one of the chaplains in the Irish Brigade in the French army recorded that there were up to 500,000 Irish men had gone through that Irish Brigade. Nobody can verify that, but it's a lot of people that went in the period after. It wasn't just immediately after the Treaty of Limerick. They were called the Wild Geese. They were known here as the Wild Geese. So again, that's a romantic kind of image, but they were scattered throughout all of the armies in Europe. So this song, there's a chorus to it which is in Irish, and then the rest of the verses are in English. And please join in if you can, if you feel like it. Siúil, Siúil, Siúil Rúin, Siúil go succor agus Siúil go ciún, which means walk quietly and steadily. Siúil go doras, walk to the door, agus éili lom, and come with me or escape with me. Is go dé tú a warning slán, which means, and may you go safely, beloved one, a warning. So, yeah, I think that's all I can think of to say about the song at the minute. His hair was black and his eye was blue. His arm was strong and his word was true. I wish that I was there with you. Escolhi tu Siúil, Siúil, Siúil Rúin, Siúil go succor agus Siúil go ciún, Siúil go doras agus éili lom, is go dé tú warning slán. I I sold my rock, I sold my reel, I sold my only spinning wheel to buy my love a sword of steel. Is good ye to ring song. Siúil, siúil agus siúil Rúin, siúil go sachar agus siúil go ciúin, siúil go doras agus éileán. Is good ye to ring song. I watched them sail from Brandon Hill, and then I sat and cried my fill, and every tear would turn a mill. Is good ye to ring song. Siúil, siúil agus siúil Rúin, siúil go sachar agus siúil go ciúin, siúil go doras agus éileán. Is good ye to ring song. And now my love has gone to France for his own fortune to advance. If he ever returns, it will be by chance. Is good ye to ring song. Siúil, siúil agus siúil Rúin, siúil go sachar agus siúil go ciúin, siúil go doras agus éileán. Is good ye to ring song. Is good ye to ring song.
Bríd Boland, everybody.